LISEN Retractable car charger. So 69 watt USB-C car charger, adapter USB car phone charger, and yeah, this is fast charger, super fast charger, guys. And I'm gonna show you my scooter have also like a same like a car charger. This is like a Yamaha Take X Max 2024 model, and this scooter have the same like a car port, as you can see this car port here. And the main thing is like this charger have this adapter have already the wire, you can see that wire, and yeah, you can don't be looks mess, so put inside already USB-C and iPhone, like if you have older iPhone like a iPhone 13 Pro Max, that one use this one. Yeah, so my mobile is iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you have iPhone 15, 16, this is USB-C. Yeah, and you can put also your own cables here, USB-C and USB something. This is fast charger, guys, super fast charger. I use this my scooter, look, do like this, and yeah, and charge my phone when I'm turn my back. It's already charged. Put inside, it's charged now, so I can easily when I'm riding it's charged. So and I can put the wire inside again. That's cool thing. So that's you need, guys. I put a link there. This is LISEN Rechargeable car charger. If you have a scooter like mine and you scooter have like a same like a car port, this is the one, guys. This is the one. This is so super fast charge, man. I'm not worried about my battery low. So I'm doing I'm a delivery rider, so I do food delivery, so I need all the time my batteries, my mobile screen is all the time 10 to 12 hours always on, so I need my battery drain so quickly, so I need charger. I don't need to bring power bank. I already put in my there's like socket like a car charger, same like a car port, and I can put that and easily I can charge my mobile phone, guys. And if you wanna buy a super fast charger car port, you have to go with this one, guys. It's definitely, guys, this is the one. Super fast charge your phone very quickly, and also stylish. The wire already built in this charger, so you don't need to buy cables. And yeah, this charger have already cables, USB-C, and like an older iPhone charger as well. Easily you can charge your phone quickly, and you can also use your own cables as well. Yeah, this build have like this inside have also port. There's like USB-C and USB-C and USB port there. You can put your own wire as well. Alright, guys, this is the one, guys, and you guys already see that. And this is like a at the moment this is like a 21 pound for gray one. Gray is 21 pound, and black color is like a 30 pound. I don't know why the black color is like a little bit expensive than gray one. And yeah, gray color, if you choose gray one, this is like a 21 pound. I buy this for like a deal, 30% deal time, so I buy this one 16 pound something deal price, but this one is already increased, and yeah, they increase the price as well. So they already increased, so yeah, color is like a 30 pound 99 pence. Gray one is 21.99 pence, but I buy this one for 16 pound only. That time it's deal. You maybe after 4-5 days again the charger have a deal price, so yeah, you can check there. Yeah, I'm gonna put this link as well, because 4-5 days this charger have all the time deal price. So yeah, if you wait for 5-7 days, maybe you got like a 16 pound only. Alright, yes, I have an order from deliver. Let's hello sir, 4161. Thank you, sir. How many back, man? Two bags. Two bags, eh?
Yeah, okay.
I need to put this one first. This is a little bit heavy, or no. I need to put my scooter now. This one. All right. We collect the order now. So I'm a delivery rider, so I don't need to carry power bank. So yeah, if you have a car, you can buy also this one, you know. If you need a car charger, that's the one for you guys. That's the one for you. Not only scooter, because I have a scooter. I have also Nissan Qashqai car. So in my car also I use this carport. So yeah, Nissan Qashqai, I have a car, so I use this charger in my car as well. Super fast, man, super fast charge. Oh no. All right, we need to go to customer house. 89.
Starting route.
I can charge my phone. Turn on my bag, it's charged. Alright, it's charged already. So yeah, up to 10 half an hour, you're gonna be half 50% charge, man. This is so super fast. You know, I don't like my battery is always full. If I have 50%, I charge 30 minutes. It's 100% done, man. This is the one for you. If you need super fast charger, guys, this is the one. If you need a good car charger, fast charger, this is the one, guys. Go ahead. You can definitely no worries about that, you know. No worries about messy wires, you know. You put your wires and there's a messy wires. This is also tidy. Looks tidy, isn't it? It looks tidy. This charger have already built it already wires, so you don't need to worry about, like, you know, messy looks. So yeah, guys, if you want good car charger, or if you have a same like a carport in your scooter or motorcycle, this is the one for you guys. Hello, Jima.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Flat 2. Oh, I need one more. Put it there. No. I need one more there. I forgot I put also one more product in here. So that door is again closer. That's the reason. I forget to in my scooter have one bag left, so that's the reason. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Here, 2-digit code, please.
53.
53. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you. Yeah, I forgot to check out the another bag. Thank you. Two bags. That's fine. We collect the order from Motors Partners. Alright guys, it's gonna be weather it's like a 7 degrees Celsius, but it's still feeling cold today, guys. There's like a camera ahead. I need to ride on like a 34 mile per speed limit here. Alright. Yeah guys, At winter time is doing delivery job. It's hard to do, man. It's freezing cold on a scooter, man. It's alright to do in car. If you're doing delivery job in car, that's good for you in winter time, yeah. But problem is like a parking space. You get fined and hard to find a parking space. Everything have like a advantage or disadvantage, yeah. This scooter have lots of like a advantage. Small spaces, I need to park my bike easily. Yeah, I can go with like a customer house, yeah. But car need to find a parking space, and they need to park so far from customer house, and they need to walk. Yeah, so many things. And yeah, it could have like a rainy time. In winter time it's so difficult, yeah. But car have you can sit on inside the car, that's chill out on rainy day. Also, if you feel heat, you can turn on the heater in your car, so you feel warm as well. So everything is like a, advantage, disadvantage. But I feel I'm working food delivery job in nearly 5 years, so I'm used to on 2 wheels. When I'm start food delivery job, I use electric bike. So this is the expensive, man. This have so much expensive insurance. I mean, like a social domestic food and hire, so expensive, man. That's the problem. You have to refill up the petrol, and if you have an electric bike, charge maybe £1 full charge, yeah. And also about electric bike, if you do short distance orders, that's good for you. When I'm doing on electric bike, I do only short distance, nearly 2 miles to 3 miles something. I don't want to go more than 3 miles. And yeah, I rarely use 3 mile orders. I take 2 miles something, 2.5 mile orders, short orders. I take that, and if I get long order, I decline that order, because also you cannot go like a 4 mile, 5 mile order, man. And your battery drain, if you go to the 5 mile orders, your battery drain already finished, man. Drain so quickly. So I take short orders, 1 mile, 0.9 mile, something like that, and you can like make good money. Before I do that, when I'm working on electric bike, I didn't take a long order. It's hard to do on electric bike as well. In my area, it's like so much off field, so yeah, battery drain so quickly before when I'm working on electric bike. Everything is like an advantage or disadvantage. But people ask me which one you choose, like electric bike. If you want to start on delivery job, electric bike, and car or scooter, motorcycle. I'm suggest you, if you have a budget, start with like a electric bike, man. You know about the area, yeah. You know about the places, and after that, you have a budget. After you make some money working on delivery job, then you have to go with like your choice. If you want to have driving license, and yeah, if you want to make warm, cold, but in your area doesn't have like a parking issue, in your area have lots of space to park everywhere, so go with like a car. In your area doesn't have a parking space, man. Hard to all the time is walking all the time, yeah, in your area. So yeah, if it's difficult to you find parking space, go with the scooter, man. Yeah, that's my idea, because in my area also parking is so much issue. And also I'm used to on this, like I start on 2 wheels, so that's the reason I love to do. And also I like to ride 2 wheels, man. That's the reason I choose 2 wheels. We are here near to town center now. This is like a Boston hotel, Grand Boston Hotel. I live in Folkestone, Kent, guys. This is our beach area side. Grand Boston Hotel. Alright, guys. After this is maybe after this one I need to go home because I need to go to my another job. So yeah, this is the yeah, in a video guys, this is the video for today, because I need to after 1 p.m. I need to go to my full-time job. So yeah, today is like all about like, you know, like a all about like a unboxing and review video. So I review my, you know, the LISEN car charger. Alright, we go to my house guys. So for my renters, let's give to put to customer for flat 2, flat 1, for flat 2 maybe upstairs. Oh, already there. Hello, can I have 2 digital please? Sorry?
6-2.
6-2. Hello man. Thank you buddy, have a good day. Thank you. Alright guys, delivery complete, easy peasy. Alright guys, we get 7.29 pence. Fuck home. I need to go to my another job, so make a only review this video. So I worked 1 hour 15 minutes. So my earnings is like a 19 pound for 19 pound 24 pence. So 1 hour 15 something minute I make 19 pounds something. So yeah, I just make a video, make a video about this charger. So yeah, so if you wanna buy the super fast charger man, you can go this car charger, and also you can use your scooter as well. If you have a in your scooter have a car charger port, you can use this one. So this is so super fast charger guys. So yeah guys, if you like this video guys, please don't forget to subscribe this channel guys, and thank you for watching guys. See you soon, take care, have a lovely day guys. Thank you, bye bye.